Well, good morning, everybody. It's Monday, holiday. I'm going to take this thing. I got about 200 miles on it. We're going to take it up to a place called Alice's Restaurant, a buddy and myself. Beautiful drive up the hill and back over to the coast. So I'm gonna actually do like a time-lapse video. I'm also going to do a bunch of more data logging to see how the engine's running, but follow along and should be a good time. So thanks again for watching and hit subscribe. So we're out here at Alice's Restaurant, top of Skyline Boulevard. As you can see, it gets pretty crowded. A lot of people. Usually there's a ton of high-end cars up here, but not really seeing much today, actually. So we'll catch a drive going back home. But yeah, not a couple of new Corvettes. Nothing really fabulous. So yeah, kind of weird. So here's the coupe. We'll get some video driving on home. So had a lot of people looking at it while I was in there eating. Well, hopefully everybody liked that drive. We got about 260 miles on it now. Fuel economy is actually really good. I'm happy with that. I do have a clunk or something coming from the rear. It doesn't sound like the Torsen, because I know the Torsen will make some noise. It almost sounds like if you go over a bump and the suspension's got something loose. I looked at it the other day. I didn't really see anything, but I'm going to jack this up, pull the wheels off. As I said, I do have a lot of rubbing right up into here. Onto that crossbar, so hopefully you guys can see that. I put some tape up there and it just shredded the tape. You can kind of see where it's rubbing at. As I said, once I get the correct wheels and the tires, it'll push these things outward, and then I shouldn't have that problem, or hopefully I'm not. So we'll see if I ever get my wheels. So I'm going to jack this thing up, kind of do a quick little once over. I said 200 in, almost 60 miles. Other than that, it's been great. But I said it's just a little, I don't know, just a little clunking noise coming from back there. So we'll pull it up, jack it up, check it out, but hope you like the drive. As I said, it's been a blast to drive, the attention it gets. We pull into Alice's and you don't even get out of the car and you've got 2 or 3 people standing around asking questions. So definitely draws the attention. So thanks again for watching. Hit subscribe, and we're probably going to throw up some videos, some old ones of things I've done to build this thing. As I said, I've got a bunch of those. So I'll probably start editing those and getting those put up so that way you guys can see every detail. So thanks again, and hit subscribe.